Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Norma Linda. Norma, what are you looking at?
Well, lots going on in the market today. So many earnings to parse, but I wanted to start out with a meme stock here. We're looking at Beyond Meat, which is ticker BYND. We're seeing shares jumping as much as 112% in today alone. This is the highest intraday since August of last year. But if you look over the past 4 trading days, we've seen the stock surge more than 1,300% over the past 4 days here. This all due to the fact that there has been a lot of chatter online. There's a Dubai-based real estate developer that's really been touting the stock, and you're seeing a lot of the retail traders rushing to the stock, trying to pour money into it. But of course, we did see short interest that was up more than 60% at the end of September. So it's a bit interesting to see right now whether or not this is actually people covering their positions here or just a traditional rally here.
All right, so the meme stock's making a comeback. You're also looking at Intuitive Surgical, and I accidentally typed in INTU, which is not Intuitive Surgical, it's Intuit.
Well, Intuitive Surgical is ISRG. That's a ticker there. This is the medical equipment company. Also some earnings here, of course, as we're kind of parsing earnings season right now. The company boosted its worldwide Da Vinci procedure growth forecast for the full year. This essentially is a procedure that involves a robotic arm here that they use during these surgeries. And so they did boost the forecast for growth there for the full year. And you are seeing shares on a tear, biggest gainer in the S&P 500 today, and it's up for its best day since 2009. Shares up as much as 19%.
All right, one more. What do you got for us?
Netflix, can't skip that one. Ticker NFLX. We're seeing shares down, the worst performing stock in the S&P 500 here, down as much as 10% in trading. And this is the worst day since December 2022. This, of course, after the company said that a tax dispute with Brazil cut into its third quarter earnings. You're seeing a lot of people really digging into the details here, but that is definitely creating a drag here on the stock as you're seeing Wall Street really just trying to dissect what's going on here.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.